Hello and welcome back to another review of diecast car with my name is Pulo, and today we are going to reviewing this Matchbox moving parts of a Matchbox 70 series 1990 Toyota MR2 W20 from a moving parts series. Yes, this is the Toyota MR2 W20 1990. This is the front of the car of this Toyota MR2. And this is the back of the car of this Toyota. Okay, let's see what's the difference between. There's a two variant of this Toyota MR2. Let's unboxing this variant. Okay, let's go unboxing this Toyota MR2. Okay, first of all, let's see this Toyota MR2 from inside the bubble. As you can see the back of this car and the front of the car. There you go, that's the variant. Okay, let's open, but before we open it, you can see there's a curve alongside inside the blister there for the headlights, right? You can see there. Okay, let's open this Toyota MR2. Okay, you can see that this blister is molded for the pop-up eyes for this Toyota MR2. Okay, let's see this detail of this Toyota MR2. You can see it has a very nice white color for this Toyota MR2. You can see the mirror, side mirror, you can see the door handle, you can see the fuel cap, you can see another detail for this Toyota MR2. You can see the 5-spoke rims. And for the front of this Toyota MR2, you can see there's a logo Toyota here, the lights, sign light, another lights. You can see this is the variant of this pop-up lights for the headlights there. The other one is the close eye for these headlights. And I wish they also paint this on white. It might look gorgeous, right, for this car. You can see seems that there's two headlights there on the top, on the bottom of this pop-up lights. Okay, you can see the grill for the radiator grill, looking great. Okay, nice. For the right side is the same as the left side of the car. For the rear parts of the car, you can see the detail for this Toyota. Oh, you can see there's a Toyota here, the Toyota logo. There's a turbo here on the top. You can see there's MR in the middle of this. You can see this for the keyhole to open the trunk. Toyota license plate, double muffler there, nice. Spoiler here. Okay, from the top here you can see this Toyota MR2 on the top, nice. Let's open the door. Let's see what's inside the interior, right? You can see inside the door, you can see the detail for this door, right? Nice detail. And this is the variant for the right steering, right? You can see there. The interior itself is colored in black. You can see there. The seat also is colored in black. Okay. And for this base, nice. This is a 1990 Toyota MR2 2010 one metal, looking great detail for the base also. Okay, lovely car with a pop-up lights for this Toyota MR2 W20. Okay, let's put this 1990 Toyota MR2 W20 on this turntable so you can see this is a very nice casting from a Matchbox Moving Parts 70 years series. You can see there's a tons of detail there, and also it also came with the variant pop-up lights from the front, from the headlights there. You can see the Toyota logo there. Nice. It's a very nice casing from Matchbox Moving Parts. I think this is one of the best Toyota moving parts from Matchbox. It came with the pop-up lights and the door open with a opening door for this version. Okay, I hope you do enjoy our reviewing this on this Matchbox Moving Parts 70 years of a Toyota 1990 Toyota MR2 W20. We will see you soon to reviewing another diecast car. Have a nice day, guys, and goodbye.